Hi all. I thought I'd show you a locking gas cap for a car. Here's the box. Got it from Car Parts Store. Locking fuel cap. Locking fuel cap. No directions. That's it. So here's my old one. I just got a new one, so each one's a little different, but I kind of like these. I like them because it's got a one-sided key. I like them because it's got a one-sided key. Last one I had, it had cuts on both sides. Last one I had cuts on both sides, and you had to go to a locksmith to get those cut. These keys, with one side, you can usually get these cut at any store. So it fits in here like this, and then turn it. Okay. So the important part is you can't just grab any locking gas cap. You have to get the one that matches your car. If you get the wrong one, your car can blow up. So I'm not an expert at this stuff, but that's what I remember hearing. So just go to Car Parts Store and tell them the type of car you got. Okay. Okay, so this one here, it's a little tricky to get off. Okay. Once you learn how they work, they work pretty easy. Okay, so put the key in, half a turn, pull it off, and then to put it back in, just and then turn it so you hear it make that noise. Okay. So it's got these ridges here on the bottom, and those match up with the ridges inside here. This was from the original gas cap. I keep it on there so I don't forget to put the cap back on. Okay, see ya. Bye.